Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to connect Tableau with the MySQL server. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you can see here, I have opened my Tableau server over here. So after opening, you just have to click on more and select the MySQL from here. So if you will click on the MySQL, it will not show you directly this because before you get connected to the SQL, you have to download the connector that you can sign in. All right. So I have given already link in the below, and it will take you to the this link like this. Okay, then what you have to do, just click on login. If you have already the Tableau account, just you can sign in, otherwise you can create the new account. So let me sign in quickly and then I'll get back to you. After sign in, it will take you to the another page. From here, what you have to do, just scroll down little bit. The database, whatever you are using, like if you are using Oracle, OneDrive, OData or MySQL. In my case, I'm using a MySQL. So you just have to expand the MySQL, then scroll down and go click on the download connector ODBC. Okay, just click on it. It will take you to the new Windows screen. After that, just you have to install one installer from here, which is Windows 64-bit MIS installer. That's it. Otherwise, you don't have to do anything. Then after installing, go back to your Tableau again. Just close the window and open it again. Then just click on the MySQL or put your server name. In my case, my server name is localhost. The port is 3306 and username is root. If you don't know your port name or username or server name, you can just simply click on the MySQL. From here, as you can see, this localhost is my server name and 3306 is my port name. So as you can see here, the localhost port name, the username, in my case it's a root, and the password, put your password which you have given to your MySQL. So let me insert my password, then just simply click on the sign in. Okay, so from there you can see all the database will appear in your screen, from where you can use any database whichever you want to work on. Okay, so for example, I want to work in this database like bank loan project. So I will just simply drag the both file here. From here you can create any visualization as per your choice. That's it for today. Till then, happy learning, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.